Hi friends, this is YRS. The product I'll be reviewing today is termed as NAS. Now what is NAS? NAS itself means network attached storage. Now what is network attached storage? The name itself sounds, when a storage is attached to a network, it's called network attached storage. There are plenty of network attached storages out there and they don't come cheap. They are pretty costly. If you've got one of these, then you won't be troubled for storage, disk space and anything, because this thing will give you an access to your data, to your stuff from anywhere around the world. So today what I have is a very nice product from Western Digital Corporation. It's called PR4100. Yes, you're right. This is PR4100, top of the line of Western Digital NAS series. Let's review this product and see how it performs. So this is the PR4100 I was talking about. This machine I have been using for last 2 years and it has been working flawlessly. You can see the label WD PR4100. This is the power button, of course. This is the USB slot for an active backup. If you got if you got an external hard disk, then you can back up the stuff on this, or you can back up the stuff from SSD to from external device, external hard disk to your NAS, or NAS to external hard disk. These are the 4 bays which are there. It includes the hard disk. So these are the 4 hard disks I've been using with WD NAS, and this is the WD 6TB Red Pro. I recommend these drives. They work flawlessly. They are made for network attached storage and they won't disappoint you at all. They're pretty good at working, and I don't know, but I think they are fail safe or redundancy, and I don't know what is that. But apart from that, it works really good. So I'm closing it. So these are the 4 bays. Now turning around, this is the back panel of PR4100. It has got a big fan over here which keeps your hard drive cool. These are the 2 USB 3.0 ports. This is a reset button. This is a USB 3.0 ports. This is very important. This is LAN 1, this is LAN 2. This is for active backup, fail safe, and load balancing or link aggregation. There are many more features which are presented in this thing. If you go through this, you'll be clearly shown. These are 2 active power backup slots, 1 and 2. If this fails, then you can switch over to this one. So this is the active. This is the back panel of the PR4100. These are side vents. Coming on to the web interface of the PR4100. As we can see here, we have the dashboard in front of us. Before we begin, we shall check out the alerts. I've got plenty of alerts with me. The next is the category of my media: movies, photos, music, and the total amount of data I have on this. The device status, system temperature, it seems normal. The drives are also okay. Fan speed, the RPM, rate, and drive status. Everything looks healthy.
The firmware is also updated. This is network activity. As you can see, the CPU is 2% in consumption, sometimes 0. I have installed 16 GB of RAM on this device. Processes which are going on the flex is always on the top because it consumes a lot of CPU usage. As you can see here on the left side, I can access the users. There is admin panel and you can put as many users you like. It will access the cloud service of the NAS. The folders, apps which I have installed. That's taking a lot of time. Now you can see I have installed the Plex media server on the attached storage. This is the latest version. This is a transmit. It's like a BitTorrent client. The torrents get directly transferred, and the movies and anything via torrent is downloaded to your NAS, and you don't need a desktop, anything in between. It's like a direct BitTorrent client for your NAS. It's very effective. You just have to add the torrents. Antivirus essentials is another important thing. Backups, remote backups, backup for your external HDD, camera backups. Another important part of NAS is the RAID setup. There are plenty types of RAIDs. Right now I have RAID 10 installed on my system, in which I can get only half of actual hard disk space which is available to me. So I've got 24 terabyte of space with me, but I can only consume 12 terabyte. The rest of the 12 terabyte will act as a mirror backup for my system. Suppose if any hard drive fails and something wrong happens, then I can easily swap the hard drive with a new one, and the RAID will build the data in the hard disk and my data will not be lost. So RAID is a very important part of the NAS system. Keeps your data safe. Then there is disk status on my disk virtualization, general. This is my basic setup. Cloud services are on. Comes the important part. The network services are on. The link speed. Now this is as you have seen, there are two LAN inputs in the NAS. This portion, AD portion, helps us in getting LAN integration. So basically you can get two LAN ports as a one, and you can increase the speed.
Now friends, this NAS, it comes with a stock 4 GB RAM, so I've upgraded the RAM to 16 GB, and I'll definitely share the link of the RAM if you want to expand your RAM in this particular model. My verdict on this product is it's really good. It works really hard, and it keeps your things really organized. Plex on this device. With that, you can add you can add plenty of movies. If you got a lot of TV serials, if you got much of this downloaded with you, then you can easily put them on this device and you can run Plex and you can access anywhere around the world. Then you have the this MyCloud app, which can be installed on any smartphone or an iOS, and it actively backups your photos onto your NAS by using your Wi-Fi or data if you want. My verdict on this device is if you are a movie enthusiast, if you love photography, if you got raw photos which are like 20 MB or 25 MB per photo, then you must have this product with you because it's a must-have thing. It's very nice, it's very efficient, it's very durable. It's been with me for a very long time, and this thing works flawlessly. So my advice to you that you should definitely go for this product. And there are other companies also, like Synology is there, and Buffalo is there. Asus Store has recently come to the market. So NAS is a really essential for you. If you've got a small office or a business, then NAS is a pretty good thing, and it will come to your use if you use it properly, and it gives you business benefits, plus you can use it as a personal entertainment center also. Thank you for watching my video. If you like my video, comment on my video, press the like button, subscribe to my channel, and share it with your friends. Thank you.